If you are in need of addiction treatment, an inpatient drug rehab facility is the best option for many who are trying to get clean. Regardless of your addiction, how long you have been addicted, or what drug or alcohol you are trying to stop using, the right facility is going to go a long way in assisting you in your quest to get clean and to learn to live your life without the dependency on drugs or alcohol in your daily lifestyle. Left bracket, right bracket. But oftentimes, men and women spend months or years in jail not focusing on the health care that they need for the mental, emotional and physical changes that their body has undergone. During their time of drug use and imprisonment, they are not focusing on a proper drug rehab program for their own health and recovery, but the community and government could take that interest for them and for the interest of the community upon that prisoner's release. With an inpatient facility, you are also going to receive around-the-clock care. If you need a doctor or medical attention immediately, you will have this on-site. Or if you simply need to talk to someone at any time of the day, you have it on-site. With 24/7 care and with on-site staff at all times, you are never going to go without, and you will never be lacking in the support system you need when you do choose this inpatient facility option for the treatment you need to get clean. Nicotine Anonymous literature is one of the tools used at nicotine addiction recovery retreats. Nicotine Anonymous, the book, is written by an anonymous person who had been sober in AA for many years, yet was still powerless over his nicotine addiction. The NICO 12-step fellowship is growing and is strong. At quality addiction recovery retreats, no one is excluded from the nicotine addiction recovery program, even people who have never used tobacco, although those people are rare. Non-smokers are continually impacted by active smokers in their lives, and the program helps to identify enabling and codependent behaviors of the non-smoker. There are quite a few facilities around us and worldwide for those who are trying to get clean and choose the option of going into an inpatient facility for the care and treatment they need. It is important to compare a few facilities, see what each one has to offer, find the ones that provide the forms of treatment you need, and of course, compare the prices each facility charges, so you can find the most affordable and best inpatient drug rehab treatment to help cure your addictive behaviors and tendencies. If you are a drug addict, then enrolling in a drug rehab center would be the best decision you'll ever make. The benefits of drug rehab programs are many, and they give back a happy and drug-free life that was once lost in addiction. Drug treatment provides healing and strengthening of the body during drug recovery process. The treatment plan includes detoxification process, dietary programs, health and fitness training, natural treatments, behavioral therapies, counseling, holistic techniques such as pilates, yoga, homeopathy, and massage therapy. Damage from many years of substance abuse will start to resolve by employing a blend of modern medicine and alternative therapies. Several drug rehab programs provide pain management treatments, like visualization and meditation. It has been established that many young people get trapped into the bad habits of alcohol abuse and drug addiction with the hope that they will be able to get over their depression, financial problems, or loneliness. They have instilled a myth in their minds that consuming alcohol and drugs can help to alleviate their problems. To add insult to injury, these addicts fail to realize the harmful effects that come with the consumption of these substances. Detoxification is just one step towards a drug-free life. Certain drugs may take a number of months before they leave a person's system, particularly when the user has become addicted to a substance for years. In addition, some addicts seem to function quite normally even when they are under the influence of cocaine, heroin, and other illegal drugs. Medical intervention can minimize withdrawal symptoms, yet weekend programs may not provide excellent results. Drug rehab programs can only help patients who undergo the entire phase of detoxification. Therefore, if you are suffering from an addiction that is related to drugs and alcohol, you ought to visit a rehab center near you in order to be able to receive drug and alcohol rehab services. Most drug treatment centers that are located across the globe are renowned for the cost-effective and Dependable treatment for any kind of addict. The advantage of beginning a drug rehabilitation program, such as narcotic and drug and alcohol rehabilitation program, is that it is able to provide total support to all the needs of a patient and does not focus on alcohol and drug substance abuse. Furthermore, drug addiction treatment calls for cognitive therapy, professional counseling, and behavioral modification. All these are elements of counseling that are very important in any rehabilitation program. Moreover, treatment and medication are modified to fit the needs of the patient. A rehabilitation program enables the patient to overcome various issues such as violent behavior, low self-esteem, and social concerns. These problems can be associated with heroin addiction, which is a growing substance abuse problem. However, it is important of all the drug rehab centers are available. You should go for the center that provides the best services and satisfaction to the patient. The selection of a good rehab center is a worthy investment, as you would not want to take a patient to a rehabilitation program that will aggravate the problem further.